Hey, how's it? It's Friday, December 14th. It's 7 o'clock a.m. Hawaii time, and I'm just getting up and I noticed that we have a 6.3 in California. Let's look at it. And here it is, a 6.3, 263 kilometers southwest of Avalon, California. There's a tsunami window up. Here's the epicenter. It looks like it's out to sea a little bit, so that's good. And it's pretty far down south by the border. It's only 7 miles deep. Here's a tsunami evaluation. An earthquake has occurred. A tsunami is not expected. 6.4 magnitude, 12 miles deep, it says here. 180 miles southwest of San Diego, 215 miles southwest of Los Angeles. A lot of people felt this, I'm sure. If you felt it, leave a comment. As far as other earthquakes, it looks like Wyoming up here had a 2.5 by Old Faithful. And we had one, small 3.3. They had one over here in Albania, a 4.5. Here's the one in in Wyoming, Old Faithful. 2.3 miles deep. It's pretty shallow. Double checking the buoy map here. You can see there is one station that's in tsunami mode, right where that California earthquake happened. And it looks like it has about a 2-meter deviation. Huh. And here is that buoy. And here's some information. Here's some more detailed information. This is for the 14th. It tells you the hour and the meter height from the ocean floor where it's anchored. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see it started at 3,718 meters. It's about a meter according to this chart. I'll leave a link and you can check this out for yourself. Here is Tropical Storm or Cyclone Evan that I've been trying to follow. And it's heading to Fiji like I was talking about yesterday, and in this article they're saying that Evan has killed 4 people and brought heavy damage to Samoa. Power is off for the whole country. That's not good. I'll leave a link to this in the description. Here is the California quake too. This is the Extinction Protocol site. They got some good information. They always got these stories they post that are really good here. Violent pair of earthquakes strike off coast of California. Wow. 6.3 and later 4.7 or 6.3, and then it was 6.1 that was downgraded to a 4.7, I guess. They have some eyewitness reports from Anaheim. They say they felt a slow, smooth whirlpool rolling shake. Another witness in Ocean Beach, San Diego, was quoted as saying, "Been through many. This was the longest feeling one. My second-story, 100-year-old apartment. The floor swayed and twisted." Wow. In Hillcrest, they're saying they felt a strong, seemingly long quake. It was crazy. It didn't wake me up, but the dog did. Pico Rivera say they felt a subtle sway and shake. Lamp and windows shook. Coronado witness say nothing fell off the walls, but certainly the house shook. Here in San Diego, just felt my couch shaking from the quake a little while ago. Very eerie. Okay, I think this is the longest video I've ever made, and I gotta run. So everybody have a good Friday. I'm out. Aloha.